Let's get to the play button. I did redo my office. Got a couple displays over there. Not sponsored, even though they keep asking me to make sponsor videos. Oh, by the way, this is a new Detroit hat because my other one has some miles on it. Check this one out. Hold on. Let me show you. Can you see it? I'm not gonna hold you. This thing is heavy. My mom always says the heavier it is, the more expensive it is. And I'm inclined to agree with that. You see, because this wasn't expensive in the currency that you might be thinking of, money. No, this, my people, this was expensive in the most precious form of currency, time. This took me over 10 years to get. And if we're all being honest, like I said earlier, I don't even feel like I deserve it. But God blesses us in ways that we don't understand nor deserve. So, thank you. So let me get this open here. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yo! It is a freaking suitcase. Briefcase. Case. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Alright. Everybody relax. Calm down! Susan herself wrote me, CEO of YouTube. Dear CoryxKenshin, at 100,000, we thought, not bad. That's a healthy new channel. At 1 million, we thought, wow, this creator's pretty awesome. Susan, really? You should have came to that conclusion at 50K. But 10 million! At this point, we're actually scratching our heads. How on earth? 10 million subscribers isn't just a lot of people. It's more than the entire population of New York City. The fact is, you're no longer just a great channel. You're a movement. I said, you're no longer... I'm getting hyped, man. Samurai, stand up! I repeat, stand up! We hope you'll accept this Diamond Creator Award as a token of our appreciation and our respect for what you've accomplished. You amaze us and inspire us every day. Keep it coming. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. It's been an honor to be able to be on this platform and inspire and just create the best content that I can. Thank you for having me, truly. With exposition out of the way, I'm sorry. Y'all gotta see this, man. You guys. Oh my. This. Yo, hold on 1 second. I can't just be touching this with my bare hands. Are you crazy? Get my Swarovski gloves. Yo, this thing is heavy. This is a level in my wildest dreams did I ever think that I would make it here. And it's because of you guys. Praise God, man. Praise God for giving me you guys. Oh, they mess around and gave CoryxKenshin a diamond play button. Oh, sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. YouTube, do y'all sell cases for this? I'm just supposed to keep this out so it can get scratched up? We need a case for this. Oh, well, I mean, there's that case, but like a display case. I mean, it sits up nice. You see, they got this padding at the bottom, so you could like put it like on a mantle. Oh, look at that diamond plate! Put it on like a mantle, something like that. But nah, I need like a case for this. No matter where you are in life, you might feel like you wasted too much time, or that it's too late for you to get wherever you're trying to go, accomplish whatever you're trying to accomplish. And that is the worst thing that you could ever possibly do for yourself. Be your biggest critic and your biggest cheerleader. Believe in yourself, have faith, and don't give yourself any limits, because there are none. Look at me, washed up YouTuber. Use me as an example. Go back to the video where I'm announcing that I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, and I'm at 10 million subscribers. Look at that and see that at that point in time, I had no idea if I could even reach 10,000. And here, God has put in my lap 10 million of you all. There are no limits.